Hi students. I have a straight up warm-up that's a new wrinkle to the one we always do in class. And the one we do in class is usually the chromatic 1, 2, 3, 4. And I've got the metronome on so you can hear it in context. So we do this at the beginning of each class. The warm-up I want to add to our Canvas module is predominantly working on the pinky. And it starts with the first finger, and it's going to go like this. So it was 1, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4. And let me do that 4 times on each string. 1, 2, to teach this warm-up. Once again, it was 1, 4, 3, 4, 2, 4, and 3, 4. These 2 fingers. Now, you can either do it 4 times on each string, or you can go up the neck. And if you go up the neck, I suggest you try to do it at least 9 frets. So here's another way we could do this. I'm at the 5th. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. Now, we could also combine the 2. But if we combine the original one with this new one, I would suggest that we do the one we're familiar with in double time and then take the new one in the time you hear from the metronome. So in other words, if we combine the 2, which we might try next time we meet, would be like this. 1 and 2 and ready and watch and... Okay, please try that to build up the flexibility and the strength of the third and the fourth fingers.